Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today's video is quite special. Not special, like it's quite trending on internet, like it is hashtag yoga skin, and this has been introduced by a makeup artist called Sarahil. On Instagram, she did a video, and it has become very popular. So the basic idea behind this trend is that to give a good base, that is, it's a glowing and illuminating base. So that is the main idea. So there are various versions, like Huda Beauty did, and some few of Indian YouTubers also have done this. But the basic idea for this has been arised from Sarahil. And let's start. Everyone has a separate versions according to their preference. So my today's video is going to be like everyday makeup with the same trend, but I'm going to create an everyday makeup with the yoga skin method. So before that, do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and bell icon next to it, so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. I upload new videos every Tuesdays, Fridays, and now on Sundays too. So do not forget to check that out. So first one is like moisturizing is very important for the yoga skin. So your face needs more of hydration. So that is the basic idea, for which I am going to use this Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. So I've already washed my face. Now I'm just going to apply moisturizer. So let this moisturizer sit for a while, and then we'll proceed with the next thing. Now the moisturizer is sitting for a while now. So now let's begin with the next process. So the next one is priming. So instead of priming, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the setting spray. So I'm going to use the setting spray as a primer. I'm going to shake it well. So let it seep in, and the main purpose of using this particular setting spray is that, and it gives a illuminating effect. So there are two variants. I think there are one more variant which gives you a matte effect. So this one is like Pro Fix with illuminating fixing spray, and I think this retails for 1050 rupees, but I got it in a discount. So this one is like it gives you a glowy and glowing effect to the skin. So the setting spray is sitting for a while on my skin. So let's mix the foundation. So in this particular thing, we are going to mix various products into the foundation to give you the glossy look. So that is the main steps we are going to follow. So first one is a foundation. You can just take a foundation, for which I'm just taking this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, because it has got a super glowy and it's a hydrating foundation. So that is the reason I have just taken this. Make sure you take a hydrating foundation. I'm just going to mix everything into in my hands. So I've just taken this much, not much, because as this is the everyday thing, I just don't want more coverage. I wanted to keep it natural, so I'm just taking very little. Next, I'm just going to take this Color Bars Illuminating Lotion, just a pump, not much. I'm going to mix this liquid illuminator from Revlon. You can use any liquid illuminating kind of products. It's not necessary that you should use the same thing. So whichever which gives you a glowing effect, you can mix all the liquid contents to this. So this is the facial oil from Avon. You can use any facial oil for this. Mixing it. All the illuminating properties like products has been mixed together. So now I'm going to mix it. I'm going to rub it. So rubbing or using your hand makes the product to get melt into your skin very nicely when compared to other like brushes or other tools. See, now you can see my face is glowing. This is the basic main purpose, and this is very good for winters. So those who have a very dry skin, an extremely dry skin can go in for this. And the quantity, everything you can just adjust it according to your preferences. And if you wish, you do not want to, just if you're oily skin people and you do not want to have more of hydration or more of oiliness, you can just reduce the amount of oils or eliminating to that, or you can just skip the oil part and you can go very well go with this look. So I'm just patting it, and I like how it turned out, but still like I feel a little stickier, like it's quite sticky, but still I don't know how far we can carry it like day to day, like whenever we go out on like scooter or just come out beautifully. So you can see the glow. So that is the main aim of this trend which is going on. And now I'm just going to conceal wherever it is required. If you have very good skin and if you don't need any concealer, so you can just skip that out, but for which like I have a like darkness here and here, so wherever it is required I'm just going to conceal, for which I'm going to use this NY base liquid concealer. I'm just going to apply wherever required, not everywhere, just to conceal the eye area. I'm going to apply it there. I've just spreaded it, so to just blend it, like I'm using the sponge on top of concealer. The concealer might crease, so for that I'm using like powder from Maybelline. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder. So this is not a like very drying powder, so that is the reason why I've picked this. Set only under eye and wherever I've concealed, not my entire face. I'm using the damp sponge so that it will not dry out. So and it sets very well. So I'm just setting it. So the setting part is also done. So I'm just going to go with the I'm not going to contour and all, for it's for a day, as it is for a daily purpose. I'm not going to do all such things. I'm just going to, for face, I'm just going to finish it off with the blush, and so only with the blush I'm going to finish it off. So I don't want to have more products on. I'm going to use this Lakme's natural stick. Just going to dab. Just like had a dot, and I'm going to blend it using my fingers going on. and it will not look so artificial when you're going to do this. So it's very good. I think I'm not sure how far it is picking up in the video, but naturally I can see a very good flush of color to the cheeks. Now for eyeshadow, I'm just going to use the same palette. I'm going to just use this brown color. So as it is a daily look, I don't want to just have more product. So I'm going to take a blending brush. I'm just going to dust it. Depth here, I'm going to use this black color. So I'm just going to place the color here, not much. I've just placed the color here, and I'm going to take a blending brush and just I'm just diffusing the color. I just don't want, and I'm just going to finish off this look, just finish off my eye look using a mascara. That's it. So for mascara, I'm going to use this Big Shot mascara from Maybelline. So for lipstick, as usual, I'm going to use this Lakme's matte stick, and the shade is Spice Street. Guys, this is the finished look. I hope you liked it, and you can see the glow which it has given me. So this is the basic idea. So I think I've achieved, and I've done some justice to the look what she has created. If it did so, if you liked it, just give me a good fat thumbs up, so which will encourage me to do such videos. So bye guys. So before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done, and please like my Facebook page Samyuktha Vinod YouTube, and follow me on Instagram at Samyuktha Vinod.